Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day today. Amazing volatility, especially on the yen pair. Most of my traders bank amazing profit. Let me share with you guys how I analyze market and help my traders to bank amazing pips today. Let's dig into the system. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into the three major currency pair, EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. Okay, so if you look at the EURUSD, let's look at in the 4-hour chart. We have this counter long trade at the Asian session, bank few PPs, and afterwards we had, after these candles, very spinning top candle, we had a short trade here, and we also had this breakout, bank beautiful pips. We basically, our bias was short from here anyway, so we was just taking a pullback. So this was the deep pullback. We have taken a beautiful short trade here. Let me share with you how I analyze the entries and exit. As you can see that we are intraday traders, so we also consider counter as long as the valid trade, guys. That's what exactly you can see here. This was the Asian session, and explain to my trader, look here, sort of like, you know, inverted head and shoulder pattern, nicely breakout trade at the Asian session. As soon as the price hit this level, you can see here around 200 EMA in intraday system. That's what I explained to my traders, time to enjoy some profit, and let's wait for the London Open. At the London Open, price reverse, and again we need a valid technical entry, we can see, and that's what I explained to my trader, look for. If the price is going to break this one, we'll consider long, otherwise break, then continue short. Even though you can see here after the price broken and price retest exactly the same, that's give us the confirmation continuation. And if you look at the bottom, momentum was bearish. We have this breakout in 4-hour. That's what I explained to my trader, just keep taking a deep pullbacks, guys. You have one pullbacks, another pull, that was the another, you can see a bearish flag pattern because our momentum was bearish, so what priority was to look for a short trade here. So bank beautiful pips. And in the New York session, again we had sideways market. That was a pretty straightforward breakout, and after this breakout we have another pullback. So we keep updating our analysis as soon as the price moves and develop another structure. So we can see here amazing trade on EURUSD. We had a wonderful trade on pound dollar and the dollar CAD. If you look at here, all right, so if you look at here Asian session, we had, you can see it's sort of like a rejection. We have this counter long trade here, bank few PPs. And at the London morning session, if you look at here, price developed bearish engulfing candle. That's give us the beautiful continuation sign. We have this breakout, we have taken all these pullbacks. Let me share with you how I analyze the entries. That was a pretty straightforward, guys. We really enjoyed it. Let's see here. If you look at, okay, so if you look at the Asian session, that was the analysis. As you can see here, the price nicely broken. That was this breakout in 4-hour. After the breakout, price retest. As soon as the price hit this level, explain my trader, let's enjoy, bank some profit, and let's see if you can get another pullback or another pattern. And afterwards, as you can see here, price reverse. As we were expecting, the price should give a pullback at this level. Once the price develop a false breakout, that's the good sign, and that's what I explained to my trader, look for. If the price gonna break this trend support, this level, then we keep taking a pullback, because here this pattern was developed. So once the price develop a bearish engulfing candle, that give us the strength. We have taken a short trade here, pull back and pull back, and explain my trader, just keep taking a guys pull back as long as the momentum is bearish. And as you can see here, explain to my trader another pattern to look for this breakout, beautiful breakout. As soon as the price hit to the fib channel, bank amazing profit. Then as always, after this breakout, look for another pullback. That's what exactly I did, as you can see here in this analysis. So as you can see here, so we are looking a pullback. They're only going to take a counter long if the price going to break this and retest. What happened here? Price develop a pullback. We have another pullback. Momentum was bearish, and sentiment and bias was bearish in pound dollar. We really enjoyed it. Pound dollar, beautiful pips on pound dollar. All right, so dollar CAD, let's move into the dollar CAD. We had amazing trade through. We had a beautiful trade here. Let me share with you the intraday analysis. Our bias was long. In 4-hour, we were expecting a pullback around this level. So we did. We were told, if I explained to my trader, if the price is gonna stay below this, short, otherwise long here. So let me share with you the intraday analysis. That was a beautiful trade here. And if you look at here, This was the analysis from yesterday. That was the counter short trade here. Beautiful pips. London morning session as explained to my trader, and look for another pullback. That's another basically Asian session, sorry. So we have another beautiful pullback short trade here after banking some profit. So this is the Asian session and this is the London morning session, guys. That's what I explained. Once the price reverse impulsively, explain as you can see here, and through live audio commentary, if the price is going to develop a pullback, then we're going to take a short trade here, what otherwise aggressive breakout, and after that just keep taking a pullback. So you can see here, price did not develop any pullback, momentum developed bullish, green candle, we had a breakout trade here. Afterwards we also had this pullback long trade here. As soon as the price hit to the final target, explain to my trader it's time to enjoy some profit, and let's see if we can get another pullback again. At the New York session, explain to my trader just take another pullback, guys. We have another pullback here. That's what I explained to my trader as soon as the price develop a double top here, and that's what I explained to my trader it's time to enjoy some profit. So you guys, you can see here how we analyze in 4 hour, how we refine an entries and exit in intraday. Top of that, as soon as the price develop according to the analysis, we broadcast that information through live audio squawk. That's another edge and another help to the traders, just to not to miss any opportunity and squeeze as much as pips they can. All right, guys, as always mentioned, you should be watching those analysis in real time, banking profit in real time. And if you are struggling in forex trading, this is the platform where you can develop your trading skill with a live market in real time, with a live audio commentary support, with a live intraday analysis, and you will get feedback all of your trades. And once you develop your trading skill, then again I can help you get funded. If you are interested how I coach and train trader with a live market every single day, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. So most welcome, guys. Join my fast growing trading community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening. Stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.